What are you doing?
I can't. Oh, duh.
God.
There's Turkey cleaning the teeth. I got wicked bad lighting.
Oh my god. You made me freaking
You
cry.
cleaning your teeth? Oh, it's not enough light. There we go. You cleaning your teeth, Chick? The best dental floss ever. Look at that.
Hey! He got in the freaking cavity, damn it!
Hey, Chick. Dr. Turk.
What?
Dentist. Go ahead. There you go. Richie, don't get in the way. He's flossing her teeth. Look at that. He's even got his foot on your lip. He's like holding your mouth open. He's holding your mouth open with his foot.
He's like, stay still, bitch.
Keep it open. Clean her teeth, Turkey. There you go,
You're going to town.
Richie, don't scream. You're gonna scare him away. That's too funny. Now he's going the bottom. He's doing the bottoms. See, he's very thorough.
Hey!
He's like, open up.
I'll bite you.
Check.
No.
Go.
Little fucker.
Open.
See, you weren't showing your teeth. He was getting mad at you. What you doing, Chick? Huh? What are you doing, Chick?
He's like, yum. He's like,
Huh? You get some food in there? Yummy, yummy. Yum yums? Yum yums. Go ahead. There we go. Turk the dentist. There we go. Oh yeah, get all that stuff out of those teeth. When was the last time she brushed, huh, Turk? Say, hey, it's been a while. Huh, Turk?
he's like, shit, I got a good one.
Wow. He's like, yeah, keep going back for more. Lots of stuff in here. I can eat for days. Yummy, yummy. He's like, hey, leave my teeth alone. I'm working here. You working, Turk? Huh, Turk?
Don't bite my lip.
He's like, well, show me your teeth.
Hey, no.
Hey, that's his way of telling you to open your mouth.
Open, bitch, open.
He's like, open your mouth. Turkey, what are you doing? Look at, oh, he got a big bite that time. Did you see that? He was chomping on that.
Turk, you are a little jerk.
You are funny.